Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the address formatting option in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where I will be explaining the address formatting option. So if I go to the sales application, so the sales module is already installed in the database, and if I go to the sales and then to the sale orders, or you can take from the quotations, if I open this sale order and if I print the order and if I open the file, you can see we have the address, company address at the top, and here we'll have the partner address once you set the address for the partner. So let me take another record where we have the address for the partner. So I'll go to the quotation, and if I open this customer Assure Interior, and if I print the quotation again, and if I open, you can see you have the company address at the top left and you will have the customer address here. So just assume a case where you have to change the format of address displayed in the reports. So here you can see the address is coming like first the partner name, then zip code, I think this is zip code, then street, state code, zip code, and country. So this is, I think, block number or something. So there might be some case where you might have to change the address format. So what I can say, so here you can see in Indian address you will have almost all the data like state, zip, etc., because it is a big country. But in another countries it is irrelevant to specify the state in the address. So there they might have to change like street name, block number, block, and then country. No need to specify the state. So in such cases we can change the address formatting that has to be displayed in the reports based on the country. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to activate the debug mode first. So in order to activate the debug mode first, you can go to the settings, and once you scroll down you will have the option to activate the developer mode. So just enable the developer mode in the database. Then what you have to do, you have to go to the contacts, then to the configuration. You have a menu called countries here. Click on the country, and if you open any of the country, you can see the option called advanced address formatting in Odoo. So here you can see you have the option called layout in reports. So here you can see you have street, street 2, city, state code, zip, and then country name. So if you go to our example, so here you can see this is an Indian address. Suppose just assume the case where you don't need to display. So I think this is the state and this is state code. Suppose just take a case where you don't have to print state and state code in Indian address. So what you have to do, you have to open the India from the country. So I'll open India from the country, then you can edit and change the layout. So here you can see street, street to city, zip, state name, and state code. So we are saying in Indian address we don't need state and state code, only we need street, street to city, country name, and customer name should be before the address. So what I'll do is that I'll duplicate this tab and I'll print the same record again, that is SO0034. So let me go back to the sales, and you have SO0034 here, and if I print again, if I print the order or quotation, you can see the difference. So here before we were getting this state and state code, but right now when we changed, you can see it has been disappeared. We are only directly getting country and other address. So even though this address is not an Indian address, you can see it's San Francisco, you can see that state and state code get disappeared. So similarly, let's take a case where we have to do the same, like we don't need what I can say, this one, we don't need street 2 in US address. So here you can see this is US address, this is Indian address, we have set its layout, and let's try to set a different address for a United States. So we will search the United States here, United States, and if I open, So here you can see this is the formatting. So we will change that. We'll just need only street and country name. We don't need street to city, state code, zip, etc. Just for the testing purpose. So for US address, I have specified that layout in report is street and just country name. So let's print this again and see the difference. So if I open, you can see United States, what all things are coming: street and country. Street and country is coming, whereas in Indian address you will have this much details. So this is how you can customize the layout in reports, that is customize address layouts in report. And if you need to place the customer address before or after address, so if I place after address and if I save, so right now you can see Azure interior is coming at the top, and if I print it again, you can see Azure interior is coming at the bottom. That is, we have specified after address, so you can choose before address from here. So this is how you can customize the address format in Odoo. What you have to do is that simply you have to activate the developer mode, then come to the contact application, configuration, countries, open the country, and you can change the layouts in report. So this will be changing in all the layouts in the system. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact us in the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us in the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. And if you like the video, please do click the like button and press the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you will be getting notified regarding all the upcoming updates. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.